Hello, my beautiful people. It's your soft girly, Judith. If this is your first time here, hey girl, I'm all in my feelings today because of this gorgeous unit. So if you just tuned in and you want to see how I installed this flawless unit, then keep watching. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to join the soft girlies family. Now, without wasting too much of your time, let's get right into installing this gorgeous unit. Thank you Alipearl for sponsoring today's video. This wig is from Alipearl. Let's get into the packaging. I really appreciate the effort that this company put into the packaging of this box. They just made sure that your girl has all the basics that she would need for this installation. Now, it came with 2 HD wig caps, like 2. And transparent. Like, I never really used HD caps, but this was a keeper and I'll be using it in the installation of this wig. It also came with a beautiful lashes that I'm also going to use, and a comb or an edge brush, and this melting lace band. Now let's get right into this unit. This unit is a body wave unit in 24 inches, baby, with a 13x4 HD lace frontal. The hair density is 250% and it came in a large cap size. There is also an elastic band and 2 combs on the side for extra securing of your wig. Now look at how pre-bleached and pre-plucked it is. Like, Alipearl made sure that your girl stays soft. I mean, I'm not going to do any hard work plucking this out because it's already pre-plucked. Kudos to the team in Alipearl. I love this body wave so much. Now let's get right into installing this unit. So first things first, I use this spray to like brush my hair backwards using the edges brush, like just remove any rough hair you know, in my edges area, and then I wear the cap and just drag it carefully behind my ears. Okay, looking real cute, but I'm about to look way cuter when I put this wig on. Guys, I'm putting this wig on just so you can see how pre-plucked it is. I'm just going to take it back a little bit and cleanse the my forehead areas where I'm going to put some glue on. I'm just going to cleanse it with a cotton wool and alcohol just so it can remove any oil or whatever. As you can see, the frontal is way bigger. I'm just going to cut that part out just so it fits right in there. Okay, bam, my ears are out. So I'm just going to clip the hair to the back, tug the frontal just a little bit down, and then start putting my adhesive glue. Okay, now I'm just doing that gently and using the tail of the comb to, like, you know, brush it. Guys, you have to be fast when you're doing this, okay, because this thing dries a lot. And now with the cool air with my blow dryer, I'm going to just blow dry this, and I'm doing like a double seal, if I may say, just so that this lasts me for a longer period of time. So the same thing again, cool air. Guys, I love the cool air coming out from this blow dryer. So now I'm just going to pull my frontal to the front and use my comb to, like, you know, brush it. You know, don't be soft and don't be too harsh when you're brushing this. Okay, just brush it to the back. Use this claw clip to just pat my hair just to make sure there are no flyaways, there are no hair disturbing my frontal there. And when I feel like it's all good, I'm just going to use the melting band from Alipearl to just, you know, melt it. Okay, melt my lace. And now it's time for the styling. So I want to do like a C-cut, so I'm just gonna do that and go in with my hot comb. I really don't like using hot comb, so I just take it very easy on myself because I just feel like it's going to burn me. Okay, so I just gently do that. Now that I feel like my frontal has been laid, I'm just going to remove the melting band, and bam, guys, this is what we have. Okay, it was well laid, but we're not done yet. Okay, Anyways, now it's time to cut the lace. So I'm just going to cut it from the edges and from the middle part gently with a very tiny scissors. You have to be extra careful in this process. I had to point, I had to like stand up and use my bathroom mirror to like, really see how much I was cutting. I'm also trying to like follow my hairlines, okay? Not just round, because my hairline is not round. So I try to like follow the shape of my hairlines. So you need to be very, very careful, and this requires a whole lot of patience. But if I can do it, you can do it too, okay? It's not that hard. I know you can see the white cast, but don't worry. Wait. We're gonna go ahead and pour some Got2b in the cover, and with the help of a small makeup brush, we're going to just put some da on top of those white places, okay? So you also want to be fast when you're applying this because it dries out so quickly. Guys, you can already see the sides of my frontal. It's late. Anyways, let's not get right ahead of ourselves. So I'm just going to go ahead with that melting lace band once again and tie it. I wanted some layers, just like a little bit, of layers. So I trimmed the hair, just like tiny hairs, guys, okay? Not so much. So I just trimmed it to my desired, bang bang. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm back with my makeup done, okay? Face beat, hair all curled up, all styled, and I'm just removing the rolling pins from my hair. Guys, this is what we have. Guys, are you seeing my hair? I mean, it's my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead with this hairspray to like hold down the curls much more, and this is what it's looking like, guys. I'm just swooping it with the help of a brush, and this hair is so voluminous, guys. Like you can see the frontal. I didn't have to like pluck out anything. I didn't have to like experiment because it was ready, okay? Your girl is looking gorgeous. I'm just gonna take a step back and let you enjoy this beauty. This hair is so good, it's so secured, it's so voluminous, it's so lush, like it's everything that a girl will need, okay? I feel like I really love how this hair looks, like with the C-cut and everything, but I'm gonna show you guys how I can also style it. If I want, I could probably do like a center pattern, but you guys already get the picture. So I think I'm probably gonna do like a half up, half down. Anyways, this is a final result. I really love this hair. I am totally obsessed with this unit. I love how seamless this HD lace was. I love how pre-plucked it was. I love how it just goes along with my hairline. Like, I just love everything about this unit. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, I'm going to leave all the details that you would need in my description box below, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, okay? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you besties in another video.